Why struggle with confusing or unreliable monitors? Want a smarter way to stay on top of your heart health? Meet the OMRON BP5000 Iron Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. Built with advanced accuracy, LCD digital display, it delivers precise readings you can trust, making heart health tracking simple, convenient, and professional right from home. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the blood pressure monitor, wide-range D-ring cuff, instruction manual, quick start guide. Want to grab the OMRON BP5000 Iron Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Features: sleek and compact design takes clinically accurate readings anywhere, anytime, without awkward wires or hoses. OMRON blood pressure monitors are built for confidence with clinically informed tech and industry recognition. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand and the #1 selling manufacturer of blood pressure monitors for over 50 years. Specifications: product description. Display: start or stop button. Battery compartment: A/C adapter jack, air jack, air plug, air tube. Display symbols: install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Safety precautions: avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm with the cuff tube pointing downward. Step 2. Make sure the cuff is about 1 finger above your elbow and fits 1 finger between your arm and the cuff. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation. Blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips: troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your OMRON Iron Blood Pressure Monitor. See you in the next one.